How to use Language Reactor. First of all, make sure you are using Google Chrome. Then, head to your Chrome web store and type Language Reactor. Click the first option you see in the list and install it. Once installed, go to the Chrome Manage Extensions setting and turn on the Language Reactor extension. Now you have the extension installed, it's time to start using it. You can use Language Reactor with Netflix or YouTube. Let's take a look at how it works. Load a YouTube or Netflix video. Language Reactor gives you the option to watch with two sets of subtitles. You can choose the languages in the extension settings that will appear at the bottom of the video and see all the subtitles on the right hand side. When you click on a word, you can see the translation, listen to the pronunciation and see that word used in different sentences. The extension also takes you to dictionaries and translators to look for the meaning of a word or even the conjugation if it is a verb. As you can see, the extension has many helpful features for free. But if you want to save words, phrases and more, you can pay for the Pro mode, which costs $6 per month. With Language Reactor, you will learn and remember the vocabulary much better. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and try it.